Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Fan and I'm currently a student at COGWORKS, BWSI Summer Institute 2017-2018, and this is my week 2 update video. Um, so this is the capstone project that me and my group has been working on for the past few days, and each of us basically just wrote our part of the project and we put it together and we're testing right now to see how it works and how we can improve it. And I basically reloaded everything so that you guys can get a good idea of what the program does and how it works. So this first part is just some basic importing. We're just importing some files. I mean some libraries that we're using. Uh, Actually, this library here just is a pre-trained neural network that we'll be using. We actually learned how to make our own neural networks, but unfortunately due to the time constraints of our program, we can't really train for say 2 or 3 weeks on a good data set, so we're just using one off the internet. And here's our actual class, which is completely implemented by the members of our group. So this is facial recognition, and I don't have the time to go through exactly how each function works, but all you need to know is that the program primarily works by taking in pictures from either a file input or from a camera input, and then we can just label the input so that the program stores it into a database associating each picture with the person that we give it to. And then afterwards you can just feed it new pictures or just new pictures that we haven't given it before, and ask the program to detect what face it is and label it according to what's in the database. And I'm just going to run this code block right here, and here is our function that allows us to load the files from within this folder. And as you can see, we made some modifications so that it would actually display each picture as it got loaded in, so that'd be a bit more convenient for the user. And right now I'm trying to drag to, oh, there you go. No? Okay. A bit better. Yes. Yeah. So as you can see, Donald Trump has been successfully loaded. Actually, it should be a bit bigger, but we're not sure why this error is happening. So that's one thing to fix later. So yeah, these are just pictures that I basically Google imaged out and then just labeled it with the person it was. And the green boxes, as you can see, is actually being drawn by the program. It's not like I went on Microsoft Paint and drew a green box around it and then told the program that's where the face was. The program automatically detects the face and then draws a box around it, and then I'm just displaying it to make sure that the picture of the face is the picture of the face, what the program thinks is a face, is actually a face. And as you can see, the program actually erroneously detected 2 faces in one of the files, so it didn't label it because I only gave it one name for each file, which is good, I guess, because it didn't incorrectly label something. So we can check the functions available by using this next function, and you can load a file, load a camera. You can input a file, input a camera. You can clear the entire database. You can remove a specific name, or you can just check how it's saved. And let me see. Okay, I can add myself to the database right now by doing this. Not the best picture, but yeah. And as you can see, this also lists which people are currently stored. I have 1 copy of my picture. I put on 1 on Stephen, Kobe, Justin Bieber. I misspelled Ellen DeGeneres, so unfortunately it says they're 2 different people, but you get a gist. It's the same person. And here's a random picture. This is basically the first result when you search Barack Obama and Donald Trump. And we haven't put this into our program, yet the program can accurately detect that these 4 things are faces, and then also accurately labeled it with the correct names based on the training data we gave it. And then here's some other samples you can do right here, Stephen Colbert. So yeah, I couldn't find too many pictures of Justin Bieber and Stephen Colbert together, so this is what I got, and surprisingly enough, it actually does work. Unidentified person in the background, 2 pictures of Justin Bieber, one within the other one, and then Stephen Colbert. And then here's another photo. As you can see, Ellen DeGeneres and Stephen Colbert are correctly identified, and the background faces are all unidentified because we didn't feed in training data. So yeah, that's basically the gist of how the program works, and we're definitely still working on improving it, but this week we basically learned how to take visual input and then convert it into to store it and then analyze it. And next week we'll be doing natural language processing, and ultimately in our final week we'll be implementing all of this onto Alexa and basically making it our own instead of just something we learned. But yeah, it's been a really good time so far, and if you're thinking of doing this program, I would definitely recommend it because the instructors are great, the material is amazing, and the friends that were made here are awesome. But yeah, thanks.